Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've protected this 2020 Jaguar E-Pace with a Starline Pro system. So as well as being paired to the phone, this can use a push sequence to disarm the system, but in case of an attack where someone's cloned the key, as soon as they go to select a gear and drive away, the car will cut out, as you can see, and they won't be able to drive it. So now if it's the customer and they want to drive the vehicle, all they can simply do is just present their phone with Bluetooth on, or if their phone's dead one day and they're out or they don't want to use the phone, they can start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence on the steering wheel. So we've set it as 1, 2, 3. We hear a melody and we can now drive the vehicle. Simple as that. If the customer wants to change this code, the way they do that is ignition on and disarm the system. As you can hear, it's disarmed through the customer's phone that's in the vehicle. Now we'll press any button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. And now it's ready to learn. So we'll just turn these fans down so you can hear. Now we'll put a new code in. We'll wait for a confirmation. And we'll repeat that again. We should get the same confirmation for them 2 codes being correct. There we go, we'll turn the car off. That's our new code learnt. If the customer wants to take this for a service at Jaguar, obviously take it back, and doesn't want them to know the code or the phone, what they have to do, ignition on without starting the vehicle, disarm it with their push sequence, as we've just changed it. This is our new code. There we go, now press any button 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, ignition off, back on, we'll get 2 bleeps. There we go, so now this is a normal car. So when Jaguar get it, all they need to do is hop in, start it like it was a normal car. It'll be as if there's no immobiliser fitted. When you get it back from them, you're obviously going to want it protected again. And the way you turn it back on is just ignition on, pop your code in. There you go, and you get 2 bleeps. And now it's protected. So after 10 seconds, if you were to start this vehicle up. Oh, that was a little bit soon. We had the disarm tone. So we'll give it 10 seconds. We'll start the vehicle up, and as you'll see, it's protected again. So you see it's running, select a gear, car switches off. There we go. If you want to get one of these fitted on your vehicle, this is a Jaguar E-Pace 2020. We fitted the Starline Pro Immobiliser, and we've also installed a dash cam for the customer. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.